Booyah! Welcome to the big leagues, folks. Washington is playing chicken again, and this time they've slammed the brakes. A government shutdown. The politicians are posturing, the talking heads are screaming, and the stock market, it's having a full-blown, red-on-the-screen panic attack. Look at that ticker tape. It's a sea of red. People are running for the hills, convinced the sky is falling. They see the Dow tumbling, the S&P 500 taking a nosedive, and they hit sell faster than you can say gridlock. This is fear. Pure and simple. An emotional reaction, not a logical one. And it's exactly what Wall Street pros are counting on. A shutdown is a temporary problem. It's a political squabble, not the end of the American economy or a fundamental breakdown of our corporate giants. Markets hate uncertainty. DC gridlock hits, computers start selling, the algorithms kick in, stop losses trigger, and suddenly everything is on sale. This isn't 2008, it's a manufactured short-term panic driven by headlines. A classic shakeout designed to separate nervous Nellies from great assets at bargain basement prices. Don't be one of them. Your 401k looks battered. The anchors shout, meltdown, crash, recession, but you've got to look past the noise. Understand the game. The market transfers wealth from the impatient to the patient. This isn't a time to follow the herd off the cliff, it's a time to get your shopping list ready. Let me pull back the curtain for you. Big shot hedge funds don't cry into $1,000 espressos, they celebrate. They've been waiting for this. Sitting on cash, they trigger sell-offs, even short, to drive fantastic assets down, then buy fear for pennies on the dollar. It's not a conspiracy, it's the playbook. Time and again, the American economy proves resilient. Earnings remain strong. While you're watching red numbers, they're deploying billions, buying the very shares you're panic selling. Intrinsic value hasn't changed, only the price has. When panic subsides, prices rocket, their portfolios swell, but not you, not this time. Learn the game, flip the script, instead of being their liquidity, buy alongside them. See this meltdown as the Black Friday sale of a lifetime. Doors open, prices slashed, best assets on the shelves. Turn their strategy into yours. Stop thinking like a victim, start thinking like a predator. This isn't fear, this is opportunity knocking. Answer with cash in hand. Quick note, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Alright, let's get to the game plan. 3 recommendations to turn panic into potential profit. Stay disciplined, move with intention. The big money, the hedge funds, the institutional giants, they aren't panicking. Don't give them the satisfaction. Think like them. Let's start with number 1. Recommendation number 1, buy Bitcoin, the digital gold, the ultimate chaos hedge, dragged down with everything else and trading near a 6-month low. Here's why. Opportunity favors the prepared. Now let's execute. Yes, Bitcoin. It's a decentralized, global, permissionless network that runs 24/7, 365, shutdown or not. It's at a 6-month low due to broad contagion, not a fundamental flaw. Don't go all in, be smart. But you must have an allocation and use this dip to build. Government instability and political gamesmanship underscore Bitcoin's purpose. Value in a system controlled by no one. While headlines scream stocks, savvy investors quietly accumulate at depressed prices. This isn't speculation, it's strategy to protect and grow wealth in a more uncertain world. Next, CEP, Consolidated Energy Partners. They're undergoing a major transformation, soon to be rebranded as X1. The real story? They own 43,000 Bitcoin. Think of CEP, soon, KDN, as a Bitcoin vault you can trade like a stock. As Bitcoin recovers, holdings explode in value. With limited shares, a 10% BTC move can translate to 20 to 30% in the stock. For the king of proxy plays, MSTR MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor transformed his company into the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, 638,985 Bitcoin. Buy a share, get massive Bitcoin exposure. MSTR's stock is tightly linked to Bitcoin's price. In a bull run, MicroStrategy doesn't run, it sprints. This crash punished it. Use the discount. CEP soon once Mestar. Your 1-2 punch to ride Bitcoin surge from a regular brokerage. Bitcoin, CEPY, Mestar, simple, focused, asymmetric. Don't miss this opportunity, buy the dip. This shutdown crash, a tempest in a teapot. These standoffs rarely last. Pressure mounts, deals get made. This storm will pass in less than 30 days. Once resolution is in sight, recoveries are fast and furious. I'm looking at the next 6 months. I believe we're staring at a potential five-fold increase. Post-shutdown relief, institutional adoption, flight to quality, decentralized assets, a perfect storm for Bitcoin and its proxies. 10,000 into 50,000, this is how generational wealth is built. By fear, not euphoria. Stay calm, turn off the television, stop doom scrolling. This is a time for learning, courage, and action. While neighbors panic, you plan. Do your homework, build conviction, get ready to buy. The opportunity is right in front of you. Don't be afraid, be prepared. Now go out there and make some money. Booyah. Remember, do your own research and manage risk.